All right, guys. So we're on the south end now. We got P098 down there. I don't know if it's gonna go in on track 1 and take the yellow that it's got down there, or the yellows for someone else. And then we got 98 again here with engine 169 leading. Hold on, guys. It's a train meet. All right. What a way to end it. Symbol on that train is Amtrak P098 Silver Media heading northbound. That train starts off in Miami, Florida, heads north to New York City where it terminates. Symbol on that other train is Amtrak P089 heading southbound. That train starts off in New York City, heads south to Savannah, Georgia where it terminates. Awesome Amtrak train meet to end the year.